Gravedigger Spin Master Monster Jam Series 16. Gravedigger, the 30th anniversary edition, the purple version of Gravedigger. You gotta really like those purple wheels. I like it. It goes with the body really nice. We got the green wheelie bar in the back. That's the graphics design of Gravedigger when he had his 30th anniversary. Those red headlights are popping out really nice, and then the little flame job up above the headlights, and then we got the flame job on the hood of the truck. Turning it around to the other side. On the roof, then, we have Bad to the Bone for 30 years, and then the tombstones of when he won some championships at the World Finals in 2000, 2004, 2006, and 2010. Put it in the front, and we have Gravedigger doing some moonwalking. There we go. Some wheeling. Stay tuned for the other trucks that are in this series and also the poster. Here is the poster in Series 16. It is Soldier Fortune. Here are the other trucks in Series 16, starting off with Son of a Digger in Legacy Trucks, Kraken, Arena Favorites, Monster Mutt, Rough Crowd, Zombie, Elemental Trucks, Soldier Fortune Legacy Trucks, Great Clips, Mohawk Warrior, Boneyard Trucks, Shaker in Arena Favorites, and the chase piece, the Showtime Gravedigger.